Hi friends, here's some homework for you to do. When you're finished, turn it back into me. So it says here, from the shortest to the tallest. So you're going to look at here. This is a scale and a measurer. You ever gone to the doctor and had your height measured? So here's the shortest person. And then you're going to go through here and see who is the tallest. This one would be the tallest person. So the shortest would go here and the tallest would go here. And you could cut these out or have somebody help you cut out and line them up and see who's the shortest. And then line up the rest to see who the tallest is. But have fun with this. Then there's another sheet that says it's called the doctor match. Draw a line from the uppercase to the lowercase. So let's just start with this one. This is letter P. And you're going to find letter P on this side. So this is a Q, R, P, T, S. Oh, here's that match. So you're going to take your pencil and draw the match. Have lots of fun with it, friends. Bye.